Well, hey there everyone, thank you for clicking on this video talking about Tesla. Now, Tesla is one of those big money stocks that people have and don't have. A lot of people, frankly, they like Tesla and then they just, you know what, maybe they just can't afford to be a part of Tesla, and that's understandable, that's okay. Myself, I was very fortunate to get into Tesla right after the stock split, so I was able to grab up a good bit of shares and since then have been making a lot of headway on those shares. So I'm in the money here. But there's one big thing that I want to talk about with Tesla, and the one main aspect that Tesla is focusing on right now with them as a company in the near future. The obvious question everyone's wondering, can Tesla hit over $1,000 here very soon? Obviously, Tesla can do what it wants to do. Tesla has shown us time and time again that it can do what it wants to do. If there was ever a stock that had crazy volume on it, Tesla is definitely one of the top 5 in that category. Tesla can easily bounce around $100 every trading day. It's done that. It showed us that so many times in the past. These are things that we see all the time with Tesla. But we are at a standstill right now, and Tesla needs one thing right now. Tesla needs a lot more hedge funds. It needs a lot more bigger buyers going after it. You know, all these investors that have Webull, Robinhood in their pocket and they're able to buy stocks, you know, at the grocery store, at work, whenever. You know, Tesla's gonna need more than them at this point to keep this, you know, billion-dollar market cap it's seeing itself at. And for it to hit $1,000 bid price, we're really gonna need to see bigger buyers come into play here. Now, can that happen? Yeah, sure. Anything's possible. I'm not one of these people where I like to say, you know, that can't happen, because as soon as we say that, it happens. And Tesla has shown us time and time again that, you know, anything's possible here. Now, Tesla right now, making this video, is taking the effect of the whole stock market. And actually today it's had a pretty good day. It's rebound from a little under $630 bid to, you know, going back up to that $650 bid price on it. So, and then it'll probably close out the day around, you know, a $640 price. But don't forget about that news that came out here not long ago when Michael Berry said he was betting against Tesla. If you don't know who he is, you probably should pay attention to who, what, and how, what he's done with his financial history. This guy has made some outlandish calls and they have pretty much all come through. But the thing is, betting against Tesla is a rough thing to do. And this is a huge battle you're seeing right now. So when it comes to Tesla, I pretty much use Tesla as a savings account. Every time I come into a pay period, I just throw money into Tesla. I don't even buy shares anymore. I just put money into it. It's that simple. I use it as a savings account and it has not steered me wrong. I'm so cheap in it that it's not hurting me. But what I truly think could set Tesla over the edge of hitting that $1,000 mark even more, because there are other analysts that are predicting Tesla to be $1,000 to over $1,000 within a year's time. Now, the big thing that could happen, and probably is going to happen here, that's going to set Tesla aside from all these other EV markets. And when we look at the EV market, you know, we have all these new companies that are EV. We have all these old outstanding companies like Ford, BMW, Volkswagen, all these kind of companies, Hyundai, that are making electric cars right now. And that's good, that's great. The problem is with that is that they're just electric cars. And why is that a problem? It's not a problem in the sense of, hey, yeah, this is an electric car. It's a problem in the sense of trying to keep up with Tesla, because Tesla's next big goal right now with their vehicles is making them 100% autonomous. So when Tesla makes their vehicles 100% autonomous, this is really going to change the market. It's going to change the futuristic look of a vehicle, how people use vehicles. Everything you can imagine, it is going to change. We're literally going to be living in an iRobot society. Over the past months, Elon Musk has been talking about Tesla moving to a new generation of V9 of its FSD software that now relies entirely on Tesla's own camera-based computer vision system instead of radar sensors. And why is this interesting? Because this news is supposed to come out July 10th. That's why this is interesting. All of this news could really send Tesla skyrocketing to a $700 to an $800 price. So if you hold Tesla, you're looking at this and you're going, yeah, this is pretty interesting here. Or if you're wanting to short Tesla, now might be the time to really look at shorting Tesla, because we could see something really pop here very soon within, just 48 hours. So not to mention that, Tesla itself, you have the Boring Company to look at too with Elon Musk and making tunnels underground. And guess what? Those are primarily going to adapt to Tesla vehicles more than anything. I mean, if you were making a company that was allowing vehicles to travel underground for many, many miles, you would somehow integrate your own vehicles to adapt to that system better than any other vehicle. So we're assuming that Teslas will adapt to that better than any other vehicle. So that right there will help Teslas in general too. When you know that there's this new special road, faster, more reliable, safer, that you can use with your Tesla. So friends, I could talk more and more about Tesla. We could literally sit here and talk about Tesla for 2 hours. There's so much to talk about with Tesla, the future look of it, what's going on. And when you're buying a share of Tesla, and understand this, for the people that are asking, why am I spending $600 to $700 on one single share of Tesla? This is flipping ridiculous. Yeah, it somewhat is, but what you have to understand is you're buying not only into Tesla for what it is right now and what they could be doing here just in a few months, but you're also buying Tesla for the future look of what it's going to be. Things that I'm talking about right now. If you want to be a party, you're going to have to pay to play here, pretty much. You're going to have to pay to be a part of the club here. And Tesla is a very expensive club to be a part of. And whether you have 1 ticket or you have 100 tickets, it's going to cost you, obviously, at the end of the day, but it could be one of the best tickets you ever buy. And when I say ticket, obviously I'm talking about shares here. So Tesla has a lot going on. Elon Musk has a lot going on. And when those two things go hand in hand, and when one of those things does something right, they both take the effect from them. So that is one good thing about Tesla, but also can be a double-edged sword too. So friends, look for this news to come out here by Friday. And friends, there's one more missing element that we haven't talked about with Tesla, and that is, don't forget the Cathie Wood situation with Tesla. Cathie Wood has said many times that Tesla, she projects it to be around $1,500 to $3,000 a share within the next 2 years. Now, that is a crazy projection, but that definitely could happen. But like I said, we're going to need more hedge funds, we're going to need bigger investments, we're going to need higher volume, and the market cap is going to have to get a lot bigger for Tesla to hit over $1,000 a share and sustain that. So friends, we could see some movement going into tomorrow, and especially going into Monday into Tuesday with Tesla. Put this one on the watch. If you short Tesla, this might be the time to really short it. Something could be brewing right here, and you might make a little bit of money here. So friends, with all that said, remember, be positive, be you, take time to invest in your future, so important. And thank you so much for being here. I really do appreciate it. And friends, I will talk to you very soon, and I hope you all succeed and make lots of money. Friends, I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.